New game. New game, guys. The Guide story. Start 6 story. There are 2 stories here. What the hell? I want the 6. 6.
It's time to stop!
Let's grab you. I'm gonna carry you till I find home. Somebody's hanging around here. Go, 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 go. Huh. Huh. What are you? Get away. Oh my god, this guy. No, now I'm muddy. What? What are those sounds? What? Run! Run! Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Go, go. Oh my god. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. How am I supposed to see? Ah, I have a light. Oh my god, I could have done it with the light. Okay, I'm not the smartest book in the shelf, I know, but it's alright, it's all good. But who are you? Hello? Why are you? What? Okay, brachacha. Oh! Hello? Go, 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 go. Why are you doing circles? Nothing bad can happen in Vents, it's not Five Nights at Freddy's. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, who's here? Hello. Get your together, man. Oh, what is that now?
Fucking hell, man. I'm finished.
This game really ain't that hard. If you're as good as me, you know.
Are you sure about that?
Put! Oh my god. Oh, I can climb it. Okay, oh my god, my head's so big. My brains are so big. Oh my god.
You serious?
What fuck? Jump! What the hell was that? Me no like it. Me no like it. Jump onto that. Grab, grab, jump. Go, go, go. Oh. Bad. What? What was that sound, bro? Wait. Really? Oh my god. Oh, I need... Okay, bro, chacho. Go eat the rat's smelly raw fuck limbs. Why is there Keats chorus at the background? Oh, oh. I'm cooked. Oh. I don't really. I don't wanna die. Chill! Chill! Chill, chill, chill. Chill, 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 chill. No, fuck me. My spidey senses are tickling. Let me check my asshole. Go, go, go! Go, go, go! 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 Oh my god. Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Go! Well, we have a serial killer on our hands. What? What? What is coming? Go, go. 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 Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. I'm not here, bro. I'm not here. Climb this. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Wrong. Where are you going? Oh my god. Clocks, do your work. Take this. Take it. How to throw in this game? I don't remember. Run. Go. How he got out of the clock room? That part I don't understand. What? Wow. Okay. That's just cruel. Go. Oh my god. Go. No. Do I just stand there on the piano? Well, okay. What now? Okay. Oh, oh my god. Finally. Nothing bad can happen in Vents, it's not Five Nights at Freddy's. Oh. What? Oh, slide. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Don't touch me. Okay, I can pull it. I just pulled it in the wrong direction. Nice. Ugly ass. Finally, I'm done with him. Get away. Who is that? Oh, you don't look beautiful, eh? I'm not here. I'm not here. You are seeing things. Where did he go? Oh, I can't see him. Ah, someone's sleeping here. Nothing to see here. Ah, run, 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 run. Go, go, go. Bye, bye. How did you see me? What? Ah, he did not see me. What is he doing? What? 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 Uh, uh, I can't go out here. Oh, the brothers are here. Okay. Ah, you can get me here. Okay. Go, climb, climb, climb. Jump. Oh. Bye bye. Bye bye. The chefs will miss you. Whoa. Wow, it's a ship. Wow, that's crazy beautiful. What the hell? Why are there so many fat people here? Just run. Those fat f***s can't catch you. No! Don't start climbing down, Rochacho. You can't be that hungry. Run. Fuck, I'm stuck. Now I need to jump there. Figured it out all by myself. Who is coming? Not you again. What the? Go, 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 go. 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 Holy. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Up. What? He did not jump there. Nice. Up. Oh my god. Give me the sausage. Okay. That's not the sausage, bro. I don't know why I just did that, but okay. What? Go, go, go. What? Who are you? What are you doing? Get away. Get away. Oh my god. Did I defeat her? Oh. The woman is no more. The woman is no more. Holy fuck. Ding 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 ding. Holy. Ding ding ding. Ding ding ding. Ding ding. Ding ding. Crazy game. Very good game. I liked it. I don't like horror games that much, but this was good. I actually got scared. The first enemy was very scary. The second one was not that much, but great game. Very good. Thank you guys for watching another video. Sorry this took so long. I've had a lot to do with school and other things, but thank you for the support. Subscribe and see you in the next video.